Hey, happy Friday, everyone. I just got done training a client and I wanted to jump on here and answer. I've been getting a lot of questions about the 21-day challenge and whether it's good for specific goals. I've had women of older ages say that they're in menopause and they wonder if it's good for them. Or I have had younger individuals ask if it will help them put on muscle and lose their belly fat. I've had women who had just had babies and asked if it will help them lose the little baby pooch that you get after on their low stomach. So what I want to answer with all of this is the problem with society and women and what advertising has done to us. We are looking for something specific and we are looking for that one answer to our problems. And there's got to be this one magic program. Okay, there's this one magic diet, there's this one magic program that's going to solve our personal issues. Okay, now the beauty of fitness is that you can tailor a program to work for you. It doesn't have to be one specific program. So because my 21-day challenge workouts work really well for, I'm going to call people out, April and Megan and Jessica, doesn't mean that it's not going to work for you. And I think why a lot of you are wondering if it's a good program for you, especially the ladies older in menopause, is I think you're expecting it to be super difficult. Okay, Allie's fit, Allie's strong. It's got to be just like that. Okay, my job as a personal trainer is to put together workouts, especially the 21-day challenge. It is my job to put together a specific workout that is fun, effective, going to make you stronger, going to reach your goals, and for a wide range of people to be able to do it. But not that it's going to be too easy for the stronger people and not too hard for the weaker people, okay? So, as my personal trainer, I have done several workouts in the last 5 to 6 years that I have put together this program. And I know a lot of you are expecting me to say that this program only works for these type of people, but no, I have spent so much time on this program that I have paired workouts together that are going to challenge no matter the fitness level. Okay, I am a huge believer in supersets and circuits. So supersets, for those who don't normally work out, is when you would do an exercise back and forth. So let's just do squats and push-ups. Okay, so if I did squats, I'd maybe catch my breath a little bit and then do push-ups. Okay, very minimal rest in between those. That is how I am going to get you a effective workout in a shorter amount of time. Now, let's say a newbie was really out of shape. You're going to maybe take a little bit more rest. But for someone who's like a rock star, they're going to take less rest. All right. This program isn't super high intensity. I don't give you my workouts. Whatever the crazy crap you see me do on Instagram and Facebook, that's not really what this program is. Okay. And with the 21-day challenge, it comes with the support of Facebook company or Facebook group. So even if there is an exercise that you're like, holy crap, super hard, can I have a modification of this? That's what the Facebook group is for. And I'm actually going to add this weekend. So come to find out, there's a lot more girls in the group that have diastasis recti. And when you have that, the separation in the abs from having babies, crunches and downward planks, like when your face is facing the floor, those aren't the best. I am going to add in this weekend all alternative ab exercises for those ladies. Okay, so as of right now, if you purchase it, it doesn't have it. But if you purchase it today, it will by the end of the weekend, I promise. Okay, but it's not a high intensity. No matter your age, these workouts are going to be great for you. Okay, they're not going to be I can't add a lot of jumping. Do you know how many people have knee issues and hip issues? I'm not going to make a program, nor am I going to be successful if I make a program with a lot of jumping in it, because no one's going to like it. I sell and promise sustainability. You ladies and gentlemen, you are going to get results and you're going to be able to keep those results. Why? Because you're going to like these workouts. They're going to be fun. You're going to see strength increase. You're going to see inches lost. You're going to see definition. And you're not going to keep up with that if it's super high intensity and you hate the workouts. So no, you don't do, I believe there is not one burpee in all 21 days. You don't have to do crazy shit to see results, guys. Okay? So no matter your age, no matter your goals, so many of you in the Facebook group, when you join my Facebook group, you say you have to answer these questions, and a lot of them are lose weight and gain muscle. That's exactly what this is. Now, also you say that nutrition is the hardest part. Why do you think we have weekly nutrition goals? I'm going to help you get your nutrition back on track. Each week we focus on one goal with your nutrition. And it's not cut out garbage, cut out sugar, no carbs. No, we focus on adding one good healthy thing into your diet each week. Because when you work on focusing on cutting everything out, you're not going to last. Because if I were to tell you right now, you can't have pizza, carbs, bread, what are you craving right now? You're thinking of all the things that you can't have. And that's not going to get you the results or the sustainability that you're looking for. So with my weekly nutrition goals, no matter your goal, it's going to help you get your fitness on track and your nutrition on track to get you the results. I promise. Okay? So I've had a lot of emails coming in, and I've had a lot of ladies going, this is my specific issue. Is it going to work for me? There is no magic pill, no magic workout. My workouts are awesome. A lot of trainers' workouts are awesome. It's going to come down to what you like and what you can do on a regular basis. Okay? Now, I like to think that, my workouts are kind of better than everyone's, but that's just me. Okay? So you just got to do the program. And yes, it will reach your goals. And if you have specific issues, Facebook group will support you. I will answer your questions. This isn't a program that you purchase and you never hear from me. I am always in the Facebook group, encouraging you, giving you some tips, cheering you on. Let's actually address this. Some of the ladies have been really sore this week. And so that might also kind of intimidate a lot of you. You're like, oh my gosh, it's really hard. Okay, how many of you have been working out in COVID? Okay, how many of you would be sore after my leg day? It wasn't a lot of high intensity. It was just leg after leg after leg. So when you have weeks of not doing anything, of course you're going to be sore. Okay, that's good. We're getting you back into it, and you're going to get stronger. And by the end of the 21 days, you're going to be a lot farther than where you were. So don't let my post about everyone being super sore really, really scare you. It's just I'm putting them in positions that they haven't been. I'm giving you combinations that you haven't been doing. I am making you move that you haven't been doing. That's it. So if I haven't addressed any of your questions, let me know. I'm just thinking back on all the emails I've gotten. I've gotten several older ladies who are in menopause, and they're wondering about if this is going to be good for them. Yes. Okay. Even if you have bad joint pain, right? This program should be fine. I had to take that into consideration. You guys, knee pain, I deal with that on a regular basis with every single one of my clients. So when I wrote this program, I had to take that into consideration. Okay. And no matter your age, the nutrition weekly goals are going to help you, because these are nutrition goals that everybody, no matter the age, size, or anything, does. Okay? That's it. Let me see. What other emails? I've had a lot of ladies. I had a lady with diastasis recti, and she asked me, should she be doing the exercises? There was crunches in it. So I am going to do an alternative. I'm going to add that in there just because I think a lot of new moms are wanting this program. So I'm going to add that in there as a little bonus. I didn't foresee that. I don't know why, but I'll fix that. But yeah, you guys, this is so awesome. So we're already in the challenge. I've got several people who started this week, but this challenge you can do whenever. I've had people who purchase it and are going to start Monday. Like, this program is, imagine you're getting ready for a vacation when we can vacation again. And you're like, oh, I would love to get in shape for this vacation. Or, oh, I want to lose a little bit for my swimming suit. I need something to follow, because we all do better when we have a checklist of do this, do this, do this. And that's what this provides. And so that's what this program is at any point when you need guidance, you need to be told what to do, because you have to control the rest of your life Wouldn't it be kind of nice if you didn't have to control this and you just open up the program, Allie tells you what to do, you do it, and you move on. Less stress, less overwhelming, less frustration, more success, more results. So that's what this is. So you get to keep all of the workouts. There's 21 workouts. There's weekly nutrition goals. There's videos to help you with it. Every exercise has a video. So if you're like, I've never worked out in my life, I don't know what to do, that's why I got videos. And I coach you through them on proper form. And the weekly nutrition is going to help you lose your belly fat. It's going to help you gain your muscle. Guys, I've been doing this for too long. I know what I'm doing. Just trust me, this is going to be an awesome program. And if by any chance you do purchase the program and you're like, Allie, this isn't for me, I don't like it, fine, I'll refund you. Okay? I guarantee it. You're going to love it though. So make sure too, I give my clients a very in-depth nutrition guide, It's well over 30 pages. And it has like a list of these foods are better, these foods are okay. Try to stay away from these foods. Like it has recipes in it. It has my meal prep tips. It has so much information in it. You can add that on. Do not overlook that guide. That guide is well worth all of the challenge price. And if any of you are listening to this and you're going, oh my gosh, Allie, this sounds too good to be true, it's going to be super expensive. To join the challenge is only $37. To add on that nutrition guide, it's only $27. And you get to keep it forever. Like I said, 6 months from now, a year from now, if you're like, oh, I need a program, dust it off and do my program. And if you're like, well, what about after the 21 days? You get to be in part of you can, if you add it on, you can be at a very good discount in my VIP membership. So all of my ladies who work with me every single month online, who are in my VIP private Facebook group, who get to message me directly, they can literally pick up their phone any single time and say, hey, Allie, this is what happened. What should I do? You can also be a part of that. So after the 21 days, if you're like, now I feel lost, you can join that. You can repeat the 21-day challenge. You can do whatever the heck you want. You can fall off the wagon again and then do it again. I don't care. I think you won't, but because you're going to love it. Hopefully you don't fall off the wagon. Hopefully COVID kind of woke some of you up and it's time to get healthy. And it's and not just like physically healthy, like mentally healthy, and stop looking for a simple fix. Stop looking for like that magic pill. Like you guys you need a checklist. You need to find something that you can do that's not too intense. That's not asking you to do hours in the gym or at home. By the way, you get home and gym workouts. I don't think I mentioned that. 21 days of each. So you might be at home right now, but your gym opens up, let's say, towards the end of the year. Great, you got gym workouts. So, really cool program. Check it out. You know what? I always do these lives and I forget to put the link in the description. I will do that. Okay. All right, well, it's starting to warm up and I'm gonna go for a run. Got my new running shorts. I'm gonna go for a run. And I got a lot of clients to work on today. It's a busy day, but it's Friday and I'm happy. So there we go. Okay guys, if you think of any other question, feel free. If you don't want to comment, you want to keep it private, just direct message me, that's fine. But don't be shy. There's no stupid questions. Okay? All right, I hope you all have a wonderful Friday and I'll talk to you later.